Hey boys, Danny here. Today I'm gonna show you why my car is simply better by doing an oil change and telling you how quickly we can do it and showing you how cheap we can do it. So let's get going. First, open up the oil cap. Mine is a oil cap and dipstick combo. Wipe it, look to check if there is no sludge. It should look like normal burnt oil, I guess, and put the rag inside just to be safe so nothing gets inside. And we're done here for the moment. Let's get underneath. So slide your jack underneath and start spinning that bad boy. Okay, so don't forget to invest in some jack stands. Never work underneath a car if all you've got is a scissor jack. This is extremely dangerous. So just for safety, put your jacks underneath and do the same on the other side. Car is up and there's basically 3 tools you're gonna need, and they are a 1/2 inch ratchet. It can be any 1/2 inch ratchet, any profile, whatever. But for the oil filter, you're gonna need a 27 key, right? And for the oil ball, you're gonna need one of these special tools, which are square. This one is 3/8, so you're gonna need also an adapter for the 1/2 inch, or even better, 3/8 ratchet. So this is all you need. Now let's get underneath and see how easy it is to get to all of them. Now that we're underneath, we can easily access the oil plug, drain plug, that's right here, and the filter, which is right next to it. So this is the greatest part. Let's break it loose. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is gonna be so. Okay. There goes the oil. Dark and nice, just how we like it in a diesel. Let's also break loose the filter. Okay. It's that easy. Now that the oil filter is out, find a spot in your garden that your mom doesn't mind getting oily, and pop that out. There's also a washer here. Take this out as well and get the new filter. Okay. Pop on the new and improved O-ring, and also the new filter, which goes this way. And there we go, it's ready to be installed. So great. Now put them back where you found them, and if you're wondering what the torque spec is, just don't think about it. Just tighten up, you know, hand tight. Like, hold the ratchet like this, pull it really hard, not from the handle, but like from here, and it should be enough torque. So that's all right. Since I'm down here, I've seen one more problem here next to the oil cooling, right here. You know, oil cooling hose. I don't know how to say that in in English, but it seems to have a leak. So I'm guessing the plastic has warped. So we're gonna have to replace that also. But that's for the next video. Now on to the oil filling part. This puppy takes about 6.5 liters of oil, so plenty of oil to lose. Now I only got 6 here. That's because I'm gonna put an additive in, Cheratec from Liqui Moly, and that's supposed to help, I guess. I don't know, I'm gonna test it, but for now we're just gonna put 6 liters in it, and we're gonna top it off at after I put the additive in. There we go, boys. All you have to do now is make sure this is tight when you put it back on. And let me show you the other filters as well, although I'm not changing them now. The diesel filter is right here. And how do you take this out? Well, glad you asked. You just take out this bolt, right, with the Torx, and it just pops out. So that's the easiest diesel filter I've ever worked on. The air filter, we don't change that basically. Well, I mean we do, but it's really easy. It's just this fastener. And the pollen filter, it's a bit more annoying. Let me show you. You have to actually open the glove box, right? Remove all the cutie girlfriend stuff, and there's a Torx here. Once this Torx is out, you can just pull this liner off. You see how it's 2 pieces? You pull all of this, right? It comes in 1 piece, and it's right here underneath. It's a tab that doesn't even have screws, so it's still great, but not the best. So there we go, boys. That's basically the whole oil change. See how easy it is to work on this car. Now, the cost and the time. Let's factor in the tools as well. So I'm gonna say for the tools it's about $100 max. Although it's not only the tools we use today, but a whole set. You know, set of ratchets and all that stuff. So $100 for those, $100 for 6 liters of oil. We've got 40 filters. Actually, this is the cheapest part because they're such nice filters. We've got about $20, and manual labor. Let's not put that, but it was about half an hour to an hour. So for 45 minutes we saved $200 from the dealership, what the dealership was charging me. And also now I have a ratchet set, and also now I have an oil drain plug set. Good. Okay, so basically it's really good. It's really good. I'm glad I did it. It's really easy. I just have the best car. So boys, thank you so much for watching. Glad you enjoyed the video, and if you want to support me, you can like and subscribe. 2015 YouTubers be like. But thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.